Hello engineers, in this lesson you're going to learn how to 3D model a bottle. Go ahead and download the bottle file that I've sent you. It should be in the assignment. You're going to just save it as regular picture file, open Autodesk Inventor, and start a new part. Go ahead and click on Start a 2D sketch and click on the XY plane. And with that image that you downloaded, you're going to find this image button right here, and you're going to click on that. And let me find mine. Where did I put that? I put that in the Inventor picture folder I have. Where did I put that? There we go, Inventor picture. So here's the image bottle, and let me zoom out a little bit. Gonna pop that in right there. So when you click, it'll just pop the image where you placed it, and just tap escape on your keyboard. And now what we're going to do next is click on scale and click on the image just to make sure it's working. All right, click done. So now that image, the bottle should be placed kind of like right around here. And let's just measure it for measuring sakes. Click on your line tool, and from the top left corner to the bottom left corner, it looks like it's 6.15 inches. That should be okay. So whatever that size is, that's going to be okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to trace this. So how do we trace in Autodesk Inventor? We literally have to draw the lines. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the line tool, and we're going to find the center. So you see how it's snapping to the center? So we're going to draw that line and leave that place there. We're going to end up revolving a sketch. We don't have to draw all the lines. We have to draw just half of this. So go ahead and zoom in a little bit so that you can see the curvature of the bottle. And then go ahead and drop down the line menu. And we're going to be using spine. I think it's this one. Specify the, yeah. Let's try this one. So that's spline interpolation. So where that line meets this right here, we're going to click, and then right around here, you're going to click, and you'll start to see it curve. So on that click, it curves, and you're going to just click around until you match the curvature of the bottle. It's not going to be exactly right, but it's going to be close enough. Click the check, and then you can actually grab these and move them around to match the curve a little better. So you don't like this one. Oops, I moved the picture. Press Control Z to undo, moving that down. All right, so now just to keep going, move this one and then move this one that way. Okay, to keep going, we click on that spline tool again, and then we can just connect where we left off. Let me zoom out. And since this is not as a dramatic of a curve as these were, we can just kind of click a little bit less. There we go. See how it's matching that? So click, click, and then we got a nice curve right here. Click, moving, and click. There we go. Click, and I'm gonna click the check right there, and then that's just a straight line. So I'm gonna drop this back to line. Click that. Zoom in. I'm going to stop my line right around here, and then go back to spline. Click, 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 and check. Go back to line, and then draw straight line across. So now you have a shape. If that was really challenging, just slow down, rewatch, go back, rewatch. You have one half of the bottle shape. And what we're going to do with that now is going to go and click Finish Sketch, click on Home, and hopefully this works the way I want it to work. I'm going to drop down the Sketch Plus right here, where the image is. I'm going to right click on that and uncheck visibility so that goes away. Click on front so you can see what you did. Click on Home. And now we're going to click on the Revolve tool. And it should automatically select the solid shape here. I'm going to uncheck it just so you can see. So I just unchecked it here. The solid shape is that. And now the axis is that line that you drew here. So I'm going to click on Select Axis. And then the vertical line. And see what it did? It gives you that bottle shape because it revolves around that axis by 360 degrees. Now click OK. And what we can do next is we need a flat surface up top here in order to create a good shell. This might not be best practice, but this is the way I figured out how it would be best. Go back and, all right, so what we're going to do is we're going to drop down. Let's see. Okay, so we dropped down the origin, so that's this little plus right here. And we clicked on the XY plane. And what you're going to do is right click, new sketch, click on front because I don't know why I did that. And you're going to zoom in to the top of the bottle. You're going to click on rectangle. And what you want to do is you want to just cut a little bit off the top. So you see how there's a line going across? Like a little bit right there. Finish sketch. Click extrude. We're going to click the cut right here. And we're going to cut symmetrically through all. And you see what it's doing? It's giving you a flat top there. Okay. If that did not make sense, just rewind, rewatch, slow it down, click OK. And that gave us a flat top. Click on the Home tool, and then we're going to shell it. Click on Shell. We're going to, let's see what this menu says. It says Remove Faces. So you're going to click on that flat top, and the thickness, let's say 1 mm. That's going to work. Maybe that's too thin. I want to remove this face. If I hold shift, can I see in there? Oh yeah, I can. 1 mm, maybe 2 mm. Can you tell this is the first time I'm doing this? Let's try that. 2 mm, click OK. Click Home. That should have worked well. Now, this is a glass bottle, so wow. Now we can actually see the purpose of the material menu here. We're going to drop that down and let's find glass. So where is glass? We should have glass in here somewhere. Autodesk material. Okay, let's go to the eye properties. So File, eye properties, physical, materials. If glass is not in here, I'm going to be so upset. There it is, glass. So click on glass, click apply, click close. And now you can see through your bottle. You might have these lines like I do. Let's go to the view menu, visual style, click on realistic. So again, realistic. And we're going to do performance for the render, just so that we can see it like that. If we go, let's try, what does high quality look like? No, I don't want high quality. Render quality. Okay, now we can get a little bit creative. We go to tools and adjust, highlight everything. We can make it, you know, a nice color bottle. Nifty, huh? So, and that's how a bottle is 3D modeled. Now what I would like you to do is to place, well, save it. So let's save it. So this is glass bottle, save. And then we're going to take that and we're going to put it on our custom template. So let me open up my custom template. And this is really only for the purpose of getting a print to put in your portfolio. I'm deleting the stuff that was already in here. I'm going to leave the material, mass, and volume. I'm going to click base. There's the bottle. It's at half scale right here. But let's see what 1:1 looks like. Does 1:1 fit? It does. I'm going to click on the shaded view and leave it there and click OK. And then, oh, I should have added the isometric. So double click. Let's see if I can place it there. There we go. And then just move that, and that fits nicely. And now I'm going to go to File, iProperties, Summary, change my title to Glass Bottle, Apply, General, Close. The material did not update, which is interesting. I'm not sure why I did that. Let's go to Glass Bottle, make sure I didn't. Physical, okay, so save. Why is that not changing? Oh, I know why that's not changing. Because it's still set to this problem. So let me double click that and try to recall which file. And cancel this. I'm going to delete this. Delete it. Insert a new parts list. Yeah, this is where you get the information. Click OK. All right, so really I just want I'm going to remove all this stuff. I want mass, material, volume. Click OK, apply. And there you have it. You have your glass bottle model. You don't need to add dimensions, depending on how you scaled it. As long as it fits on your technical drawing right here, that's going to count. So good luck making your glass bottle model. Print that out, send it as a PDF for credit.